Each drink, each snack, your kidneys work hard, cleaning blood, keeping fluids right, and your heart going. But with time, even good filters get full. Too much waste, salt, and bad stuff builds up, slowing kidneys down bit by bit. That's when signs show. Swollen eyes, bubbly pee, high blood pressure, sore muscles. They seem small at first, but warn of kidney harm. You don't need medicine to get better. Good cures are found in nature. Plant teas, when picked well, can calm swelling, wash out waste, lower bad stuff, and help fix blood pressure. Science says so, and old medicine shows that the right tea can help your kidneys. So next time you have tea, what if that drink could save your kidneys? Here are 8 teas that can help you feel better. 1. Chamomile tea. They say being quiet can be strong. Can that be true for your kidneys? Chamomile helps you relax, but it also has something called apigenin. It's a natural thing that can help fix kidneys. In 1 cup, about 8 ounces, you get up to 2.5 milligrams of apigenin. This lowers stress and calms swelling in kidneys, which can make creatinine go up. Apigenin stops damage, so kidneys can get better. A study in 2022 said people who had chamomile every day had less creatinine after 6 weeks, but it does even more. Chamomile can also help calm the tummy, lower high blood sugar, and help you sleep, all of which help your kidneys work well. This is key for older people who may not know they have sleep or blood sugar issues. To get the most from it, make chamomile tea with a lid to keep the good oils in, and add lemon, as vitamin C helps your body use it. So, if a flower can calm you and help your kidneys, what else might help us? 2. Hibiscus tea. Like before, with foods for lower creatinine, the water in cucumbers helps clean and calm kidneys, but this red flower can clean out bad stuff even better. The red color of hibiscus tea is not just nice, it has a thing called delphinidin-3 sambubioside, which helps kidneys a lot from the inside. Each Auda's cup of red tea has about 30-35 milliliters of special stuff that wakes up a cell cleaner called AMPK. When AMPK is on, your body gets rid of junk faster, like urea and creatinine. This means your kidneys get true help from within, not just a quick fix. Here's the cool part. Harvard said that older folks who drank red tea each day saw their top blood number drop by 7 points, which helps weak kidneys and cuts the risk of more harm. That's big, it's a huge win. Less push means better flow, better cleanup, and better health all around. Red tea also helps your heart, stops small puffiness from water, and is a mild water pill, so it's a good daily habit for those with early kidney issues. Making it cold overnight helps get out the good stuff and lowers the bad taste, and having it before food may cut down on sugar jumps. If one flower can help your blood flow and lower your stress, what else can you drink to help your kidneys? 3. Green tea. Your morning drink might get you going, but is it slowly harming your kidneys? Green tea is much better. It wakes you up, yes, but also has EGCG, a well-known helper for kidney health. Each serving has about 50 to 100 units of EGCG, a thing that fights bad stuff and cuts down on swelling in kidney parts. It also stops TGFB1, a thing that makes scars and can hurt kidneys if it's not stopped. So EGCG helps kidneys get better, not worse. A study in 2023 said old people who drank green tea had fewer kidney problems than those who didn't. That's not luck, that's science, but it does more than just help kidneys. EGCG also helps your brain, lowers bad fat, and makes joints feel better, which is great for old people with joint pain or memory loss. To get the most help, don't soak your tea for more than 3 minutes and add a bit of black pepper. Pepper helps your body use EGCG better. So if green tea can help your brain, heart, and kidneys, what if we add something even stronger? 4. Ginger tea. When your joints or tummy hurt, what do you use? Lots of people use pain pills, but they can hurt your kidneys if used too long. What if one plant could ease pain and help your kidneys too? Ginger tea from fresh root has 6-gingerol, a thing that fights swelling well. A strong cup of ginger tea has about 4 milligrams of 6-gingerol, mostly if made with raw ginger. This thing stops TNF-alpha and COX-2, big causes of swelling in kidneys. In a study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, people with weak kidneys who had ginger each day got 29% better at cleaning waste in 2 months. That's not just less pain, it's getting better for real. Ginger also helps blood flow, keeps sugar steady, and stops feeling sick. Great for older folks with many health issues. Plus, with turmeric, it fights swelling even better. Use new ginger root to brew and add a bit of turmeric. Just a tiny bit is all you need to get the best results. Now that your kidneys feel better, are you set to try the root that cleans out bad stuff? 5. Cinnamon tea. Sweet things can be bad, but cinnamon is good. The sweet smell hides a great thing. It helps your kidneys. Sweet treats hurt your kidneys, but cinnamon tea helps take away bad stuff because of a strong thing called cinnamaldehyde. 8 cups of cinnamon tea made with a stick or a spoon of Ceylon cinnamon has about 6,008 milligrams of cinnamaldehyde. This can make blood better and lower creatinine by helping blood flow better and stopping things that hurt blood and kidneys. A study in 2022 showed that people with weak kidneys who ate cinnamon each day got 21% better at filtering blood after 3 months. This brought back a job many thought was gone for good. Cinnamon tea also helps keep blood sugar steady, lowers bad fats, and cuts belly fat, which helps old kidneys. To get the best from it, soak good cinnamon, not cheap kind, for 10 minutes with a clove or two. This helps blood flow and keeps blood sugar even. If one spice can sweeten tea and save your kidneys, what can a leafy herb do in your next drink? 6. Parsley tea. It sits under the lettuce, often missed, but parsley might be the best kidney helper you have. This plain herb, when made into tea, gives off a strong stuff, APO, a light oil that helps clean kidneys more than most things. Only a 1/4 cup of cut-up parsley made into tea has 15 to 25 milligrams of APO, and good things like luteolin and apigenin, which make you pee more and cut down kidney stress. By making you pee a bit more, parsley tea washes out extra waste and salt, helping your kidneys not work so hard to stay right. The International Journal of Molecular Sciences said in 2021 that parsley stuff cut down waste levels in animals in 2 weeks, showing it cleans kidneys by making you pee and saving cells. But there's more. Parsley tea helps clean the liver, cuts down bloating, and may drop blood pressure by calming blood tubes, all of which make it easier on your kidneys as you get older. To make it work, use fresh parsley, not dried. Soak it 8 minutes. Add lemon to help it clean. If this simple thing cleans your kidneys, what if you add a strong plant? 7. Nettle tea. Most fear nettle, but what if this plant can fix what time broke? As tea, nettle is a kind helper. It has a thing that helps and fixes kidneys inside. 1 cup of nettle tea has about 20–30 milligolars of an acid that can stop fat damage and lower swelling stuff like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. These things hurt kidneys and raise creatinine. A study in 2023 said nettle tea drinkers had 15% less creatinine and less uric acid after 2 months. This helps older folks with kidney trouble and gout. Nettle also helps joints, eases allergies, and gives iron and vitamin C. This mix fights low iron without hurting kidneys with fake pills. Brew it with steel, not aluminum, to keep metal out. Drink it between meals to help your body use it and pee less. If nettle's sting can heal, what else might be hidden? 8. Tea made from weed. It's that plant we hate in our yards, but in tea, dandelion root helps clean you out. It tastes sharp but heals well, led by a part that fixes kidneys and helps remove bad stuff from deep down. A strong 8-oz cup of tea made from 1 spoon of dry root has about 12 to 15 units of that part. It works by easing kidney swelling, helping fluid flow, and pushing out waste like pee through the liver and kidneys. A study in a science book in 2022 showed that this part cut kidney damage in sick rats, dropping pee buildup by about 19% in a month, hinting it may help kidneys long term. Dandelion root can also help keep blood sugar steady, help you digest food better, and get rid of extra water, which can be hard on older kidneys. Bake the roots yourself to get a richer taste and help you get rid of more water, or mix with cinnamon for a nice warm drink that helps clean your body. Did you enjoy this? Then don't keep this tip for healthy kidneys a secret. Even a simple flower root or leaf can help your kidneys. Think of how much one share can do for someone's health. Like this video if you think nature can help you heal. Share it with a friend or family member who might be having kidney problems but not talking about it. Tell us in the comments which tea you will try first, or share what helps you. Your story might help someone else heal. We thank you very much for watching, learning, and being part of a bigger group that believes in natural ways to feel better, good foods, and another chance for our kidneys. We're on your side, and as one, we're turning health into action. So drink a bit, drink a lot, and know that tea now might make your kidneys happy later.